Hello, my mythological creatures. I wanted to show you how to access and fill out your plot diagram for creating your own original myth. It's going to look like this while it's empty, and of course, it'll be filled up with all your brilliant ideas shortly. So, let me first tell you just how to access it. What you're going to do is go to Canvas, of course. Once you're on Canvas, you're going to go to your class. I'm going to go to first period, click on assignments. I'll also have it on the day of the week button for tomorrow, for Thursday, but you can also find it in assignments. And you'll be able to find it titled Original Myth Plot Diagram. Once you click on that, you'll see this blue link right here. That's what you need to click on to access the Google slide. If you click on the blue link, you should be able to double click inside any of the boxes and start typing. Here's the key. Once you finish filling out your plot diagram, you do need to go back to Canvas, and there's going to be a little blue button here that says submit. Do that when you're done. Remember, this is not a separate assignment. This is just a tool to help you in your pre-writing process. It's kind of the last step before you actually start writing. Now, as far as actually filling out the plot diagram, I would start down here with plot elements. We remember if we think about a plot diagram like a roller coaster, right? At the beginning is the exposition, where you introduce us to your main characters, the setting where the story takes place, and any necessary background information. Now, the background information might be minor. The main important stuff is that you show me your characters and setting right here. What you would do next is move on to this part of the plot diagram. Thinking about this part of the roller coaster, what do we call that? That's going to be the rising action. The rising action is where the characters face problems, conflicts, and decisions. They have to make choices. What little conflicts happen along the way, what little bumps in the road or bumps on the roller coaster lead to that ultimate moment of take your breath away anticipation, which is the main action of the story, otherwise known as the climax. Of course, we have the high-speed drop that comes after the climax, where the characters react to the action. We call that the falling action. Finally, at the end of the roller coaster, you're definitely changed by the end, but everything evens out. Maybe problems are solved or the character experiences change. Think about what you look like at the end of a roller coaster. You don't look the same as when you started. You got crazy hair, maybe a rush of adrenaline. You've changed by the end. The same thing is true for your characters in your myth. So you're going to fill this out, but instead of with my little definitions up here, I want to see all the details of your original myth. Can't wait to read it.